mga kabalen, welcome to Wern, Pampanga. Para sa video na to guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City. And medyo umuulan, and I think it's a perfect time for us to have a relaxation right after nung last week natin na sobrang pagod, Mami.
Oh, I think this feature will benefit you and benefit us as well.
Ayun, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Sol Massage. This is located po dito sa may Phil-Am Friendship Highway. I think this is at Barangay Anunas. And right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang parking lot. Actually, yung parking lot nila, it can accommodate siguro up until like 10 vehicles or more, no? Large or small. And then pinaka-landmark niya pagpunta natin dito, if you are aware of the KFC dun sa may Phil-Am Friendship Highway, ayan, dito sa may Barangay Anunas, katapat lamang po nun. So, ang kagandahan dito guys, papakita namin sa inyo kung anong nasa loob dahil ito ay isa sa mga malaking massage parlor, no? Massage spa. I think more or less around 50 beds.
Yeah.
Pasok na po tayo and can't wait to have our session right now. Let's go! So ayun guys, isa sa kanilang mga kwarto, ito yung room B. If you notice, meron tayong 4 na beds for massage. We also have 4 chairs for mga foot massage naman dito. So napakarami nito guys, ilang mga rooms ang mga ganito yung setup. So I think it's also great for, you know, siguro mga intimate parties, mga ganyan, no? Mga barkada, if you want a private and secluded mga occasions or happenings or celebrations na pwede dito yan guys. This one is 3-bed naman. So dito, pwede rin naman yung mga couple. So depende po sa inyo kung ano yung gusto ninyo. And at the same time, kumbaga ilan kayong pupunta dito sa Sol Massage. I also wanna mention guys, ginagamit nila dito. Like for example, this one. So these are para mga disposable. So importante po sa kanila na hindi kumbaga ulit-ulit yung mga gamit. It's just one-time use, and that adds up to the sanitation and cleanliness dito. So good job, Sol. So this one, it has 8 beds itong room na to, and sabi ng mga owners natin, you know, it's good for group or sometimes yung mga family. Yung nga, pag mga turista na mga Koreans, when they go here, sometimes they want to have yung mga grupo nila or yung family nila in a one room, such as this. So I think, no, kung minsan may na-adapt na rin tayong mga ganong culture, like for example, galing sila sa nagbuntok po sila sa Porac or nag-golf sila sa may Clark, and that family wanna, you know, have a entire room experience. So ayan, available po siya dito. Guys, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito is meron din silang barbershop and a nail spa. So right after your massage, most probably kumbaga complete day self-care. Right after your massage, magkaroon ka po kayo ng haircut and shave. So actually si Sir, ayan, so papakita natin yung mga services nila dito with him. Okay, so guys, this is their shower area. Ayan. At the same time, ito yung kanilang locker. Okay, so let's open our locker. Pakita natin. Sige nga.
Oh, so meron na siyang set of
brush
and toothpaste. Okay, for this one, disposable shorts. Meron na siyang bathroom.
Like this.
And bath towel.
Ayun, okay. So, yeah, that's the shower room. Pagkatapos namin dito, we're gonna go to the next room naman. I'm excited kasi dun yung, I think yun yung foot bath and foot massage.
Yes.
Okay, let's go! Shout out kay Ma'am Jo at saka kay Ma'am Pau. Ayan, salamat po sa pag-aalaga sa amin.
Thank you.
Yes. ayun guys, halata bang na-relax yung mga mukha namin guys. But anyway, nagpapasalamat kami sa Soul Massage for such a wonderful time. I think one of the best massages that I ever had, Mami.
Yes, napakaganda. Ibang klaseng technique din.
So, anong ginawa nila sa amin guys, meron siyang usual yung massage nila. Tapos may hot stone. Tapos meron pang ear candling. At saka ear cleaning. Yung mga stretching, actually yun doon ako talaga nag-enjoy.
Yun yung closing time.
Yun yung closing
part.
Anyway, so ayun guys, if you are interested to know more about Soul Massage, yan, we're gonna be including the fan page as well as the contact number po na you're gonna be needing to call. So shout out kay Ma'am Pao at saka kay Ma'am Jo. Solid, ang sarap. You gotta find them pag pumunta po kayo. Look for them. So anyway, again, thank you so much for watching Wear Pampanga. Thank you so much Soul Massage for inviting us.
Relax kami yung araw na to.
Super. Thank you so much for watching Wear Pampanga. Bye guys.
Bye.